Here's problem number 1 on sample test 2. Find the tension in each cord in the system shown at left. First thing we want to do, focus in on a point and do a free body diagram. We're going to do it of the 20 kilogram mass. It's got weight pulling down, mg, and tension 3 pulling up. And as a result of these two forces, there's no acceleration. So there's our free body diagram for the 20 kilogram mass, and we're going to use that to say the summation of all the forces in the y direction is equal to 0. That's equal to tension 3 minus mg. Hence, tension 3 is equal to mg is equal to 20 times 9.8 is 196 newtons. So there's tension 3. We want to find the other tension, so we're going to focus in now on the knot. We note that the knot is not moving. We have tension 3 pulling down, 196 newtons. We have tension 2 going off this way, and tension 1 going off this way. And their angles, respectively, this has to be 40 degrees here and 30 degrees here because of the equal internal angles. So this is 40 degrees and this is 30 degrees. And as a result of all these forces, there is no acceleration. So there's our free body diagram for the knot. Setting up our equation in the x direction, summation of the forces in the x direction should be 0. We do have forces. We have a component of tension 2 going to the right, T2 cosine 40, and tension 1, T1 cosine 30 going to the left. That's all we have going on in the x direction. So it's true that T1 cosine 30 equals T2 cosine 40. In other words, T1 is going to equal cosine 40 divided by cosine 30 tension 2. Or, what is that? 0.885 tension 2. Nice to know, but we have two unknowns, so we need another equation to help us solve this. So if we look in the y direction, the summation of all the forces in the y direction should be 0. And we have a T1 sine 30 plus a T2 sine 40 minus tension 3. Tension 3 is 196 newtons, so we have 196 newtons is equal to tension 1, which is actually 0.885, tension 2 sine 30 plus tension 2 sine 40. So I have 196 is equal to, if I can get this to right, 0.885 sine 30 plus sine 40, all this times tension 2. If I do that, $1.085 for everything that's in this parentheses. So that means that tension 2 is going to equal 196 divided by 1.085. And that will be equal to what? 180.6 newtons. Tension 1 is equal to 0.885 tension 2. And so that is equal to 159.9 newtons. So that's our answers. We have our 3 tensions for the 3 chords shown at left.